You decide you want to learn something new, like a new song.
Right. Or you game.
Yes, exactly. And you try very, very hard.
You practice all the time.
You do, but it still feels a little wrong.
I know that feeling.
It is frustrating, you know. Sometimes trying too hard makes it difficult.
It really does. You lose the fun part.
Yes. Welcome to a quiet, relaxing time here on Cozy English Nights.
We are so happy you are here.
I am Emma.
And I am Noah.
Today we want to talk about a story.
A very hopeful story.
Yes, it is about learning to speak naturally.
But, not by studying hard rules.
Right, not from thick grammar books.
It is about finding the music in your voice.
Finding the music, I love that.
Me too.
Let us talk about a woman. Her name is Mia.
Mia wanted to speak better English.
She really did. She wanted to sound nice.
So she studied grammar every single day.
Every day. She knew so many rules.
She knew all the rules.
But, Mia had a problem.
She did.
When she spoke, her words were correct.
Yes, perfectly correct.
But she sounded flat.
Right. Her voice was just flat.
Let us talk about that word, flat.
What does flat mean here?
Well, it means having no music.
Like a straight line.
Yes. No up, no down. Just flat.
Imagine a song with only one note.
That would be a boring song.
It would. And that was Mia's voice.
She used the right words, but she had no feeling in the sound.
Do you sound flat when you speak English?
That is a good question for you to think about.
Many people do. It is very common.
It is, because, knowing all the rules does not fix everything.
No, it does not.
Rules do not make the language feel alive.
Exactly. Rules are just words on paper.
So Mia was sad. She tried so hard.
But her voice felt empty.
Then, one day, something changed.
Yes, a very special day.
Mia was sitting outside, and she watched a little girl.
A very small girl.
The girl was singing a song.
A song from a movie, right?
Yes, a very famous movie.
Did the little girl know all the words?
No, she did not know the words.
She was too young.
She just made baby sounds sometimes.
But she copied the sound perfectly.
Oh, she really did. She copied the feeling.
She copied the music.
And she copied the rhythm.
When you listened to her, she sounded wonderful.
She sounded so happy and natural.
So what did Mia learn from the little girl?
Mia learned a very big lesson.
A huge lesson.
She realized something. Kids do not study.
No, they do not.
Kids do not sit with books.
They do not worry about mistakes.
Right. They just copy.
They copy the feelings. They copy the music.
Mia thought about this.
She thought, maybe I should do that.
Yes. She wanted to try something new.
She wanted to copy, just like the little girl.
So she found a short English clip.
Just a small video.
It was very, very slow.
Slow is important.
Yes. You need a slow voice at first.
What did she do with the clip?
Well, she played one sentence.
Just one.
Just one sentence.
Okay. And then what?
Then she said it out loud.
But she did something special, right?
Yes. She said it at the exact same time.
Wow. At the exact same time as the video.
Exactly. She did not wait.
She just spoke with the person.
She matched the same speed.
She matched the same music.
And she matched the same feeling.
What is shadowing in this story?
Well, shadowing is just following along.
Like a real shadow.
Yes. When you walk, your shadow walks.
It does not wait. It moves with you.
That is what Mia did with her voice.
She became an English shadow.
Was it easy at first?
No. It was very, very hard.
That sounds hard.
It is. She was always one word behind.
Just one word behind.
But she did not stop.
That is brave.
It is perfectly normal to be one word behind.
It feels strange at first.
Your mouth feels clumsy.
Yes. But that is okay.
She did this for just 5 minutes every day.
Only 5 minutes?
Only 5 minutes.
That is not a long time.
No, but she did it every single day.
She had some simple rules.
Yes. Rule number 1, just copy the voice.
Just copy.
Rule number 2, do not think.
Do not think about the words.
Right. Do not memorize words.
And do not study grammar.
Just follow, like a shadow.
I really like that. It sounds peaceful.
It is. You just let the sound guide you.
So, Mia practiced every day.
5 minutes a day.
What happened next?
Well, 2 weeks later, Mia noticed something.
Something good.
Something wonderful.
Oh, wow. Tell me.
Her voice changed.
Really?
Yes. Her voice went up and down now.
It had hills and mountains.
Exactly. It had music.
It had life in it. What changed after 2 weeks?
Well, this is the best part.
Okay.
Her grammar was exactly the same.
Wait, really? She did not learn more grammar?
No. She did not study rules at all.
So her words were the same.
Yes. But she sounded like a real speaker.
That is amazing.
Why did she sound so much better?
Because she copied, like the little girl.
Yes. Her grammar did not change. Only her music changed.
Music is so important.
It really is. It changes everything.
When you speak with music, people want to listen.
They feel your words.
Yes, they feel them in their hearts.
Grammar makes words correct on paper.
Right. Correct for a test.
But copying makes words alive.
Alive in the air.
Children learn by copying, not by studying rule.
We forget that when we grow up.
We do. We try too hard.
We buy big books and worry about mistakes.
But you can learn like a child again.
You can. It is okay to just play.
Just play a sentence.
And become its shadow.
Have you tried copying a voice?
Think about that for a moment.
Is copying easier than studying grammar?
For some people, yes. It feels better.
What clip would you like to shadow?
Maybe a nice movie. Or a quiet video.
You can start tomorrow.
Just 5 minutes.
It is a nice way to learn.
Before we go, let's remember a few phrases.
Yes, just simple phrases to remember.
Our first phrase is copy the voice.
Just copy the voice like a shadow.
Do not think too much.
No, just copy the voice.
Our second phrase is at the same time.
Say it at the same time as the speaker.
Do not wait for them to finish.
Right, at the same time.
Our third phrase is one word behind. At first, you will be one word behind, and that is okay.
It's very normal. One word behind.
Our fourth phrase is up and down.
Real English goes up and down.
It has feelings, up and down.
And our last phrase is 5 minutes a day.
Just 5 minutes a day is enough.
You do not need hours. 5 minutes a day.
Well, thank you so much for being here.
We love spending this quiet time with you.
Thank you for listening to our story about Mia.
5 minutes a day, and your voice finds its music.